Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we are going to make our letterhead design in Adobe Photoshop. Let's create a new document from new, Ctrl+N from the keyboard, and let's make size and units of inches in of 8 IN and width 11 IN and 11 IN. Resolution 300 and color mode RGB color mode. Till now, if you are going to print, you can select the CMYK color. Let's click here, create, and the new document comes here. I select the rectangle tool and draw the shape in the size of the document. Likewise, I am going to select same rectangle tool and create a box inside here. I have selected the same color, that's why it's not showing. I am going to unmark the color and make stroke size like this, and color, selecting the color, this color as you can see here, and I'm going to draw another line by the same shape tool from here. As the color is same, it cannot be seen. I select the blue color and move ahead. Then I can duplicate the same shape by pressing Ctrl+J from the keyboard and move ahead. Likewise, I press again Ctrl+J to make a duplicate the same shape and move ahead. Now it looks like this. If you type the name, I'm selecting the font of Bebas New. You can select another font if you like. I write here names Academy and changing the font color to same blue color like this. Okay, a bit brighter. Okay, and placing here inside it. Then pressing the T from the keyboard, selecting the type tool and decreasing the font size. You can increase or decrease size of the font as you can. You can change the color as well. And again, I duplicate the same font, pressing Alt and dragging to the down, pressing the T type tool and decreasing the font like this, and Ctrl T. Here I am going to increase the alignment like this and typing the theme of the simply learn to simplify the your creation. Selecting the buttons, I am decreasing little bit the font size and decreasing the vertical alignment like this. Now placing the reference number and other, I am selecting the same font, pressing Alt from the keyboard, RG number and reference number. As the distance is more, I press Ctrl T and decreasing from here by auto as it looked like this, and I am selecting the same and writing the date. Ctrl A, DAT, date. You can write date from here. Again, I'm selecting the same font and bringing towards down. You can manage as well address, contact numbers and Gmail address or mail address of your company or your institute, and I am aligning the letters and decreasing the font size to 14 pt and increase the alignment like this. Okay, now I am going to manage these shapes as the equal distance. Changing the font color to red. Okay, and aligning these items. As the designs look like this, I am duplicating the same layer like this, selecting from the mouse and pressing Alt, and I can duplicate like this. Okay, now it is the final look that you can write, and you can place the logo from here as your logo. And in the text you can put your text here and then decrease the opacity and change the color to red. Okay, and decreasing to 60. Okay, and from the layers panel you can decrease the opacity of your logo. Okay, this is the final output of our logo, final view of our letter pad. Hence you can use your letter pad as you want, as the design is simple and attractive and professional. Thanks for the video. Please do subscribe to our channel. We can meet another channel, we will see in another video.